Well, there's no point drawing out a hat now that there's only one left.
Patty Porter. Disaster.
Yeah.
The dogs didn't even like it. I still smell it.
So strong.
I poured it out over here and it smells like someone's cutting hay.
I think I must have drank that back in the day.
When he was already fucked up.
You know what? I was, because it was the first time I ever had it. Now I remember. It was St. Patty's Day weekend, and my dad, being a firefighter, he's in the pipes and drums thing with the fire department, and a bar wanted them to come and like every 30 minutes walk through the bar playing. Well, for that they get their own VIP table up in the VIP room. Well, we got free drink tickets, all this, and that, and I was just drinking, trying everything, and I think it was halfway through the night when I ordered that, and it's like, oh, this is good. But being sober and drinking it, I'm like, oh my god.
Well, this next and last beer, by the way, is going out to the Road Runner, even though he's blue.
Ruby Redbird.
Whatever. Alright, we're just splitting half. I'm splitting this bottle because I really feel like getting too plastered. Really, I'm not even buzzing right now, so it's been a good 2.5 hours since we did those last beers. We went to 8.
Went 8, sobered up, then shot the AR.
Yep.
40.
We don't shoot while drunk. Well, he shoots while drinking, but I don't shoot while drinking. So it's got a dark apple juice kind of color to it.
Yeah.
It smells very citrusy.
Wow. It sure does.
Summer seasonal.
Well, I guess that explains it.
I can't read it. This crisp, refreshing summer seasonal is brewed with Texas ruby red grapefruit. I wonder. The signature citrus of this Rio Grande Valley tartness. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed the period. There's water all over this bottle and the label's starting to separate. Rio Grande Valley tartness from the grapefruit juice and delightful kick from the ginger combined for a taste that's perfect for hot summer days. Its deep gold color and full body. What's that?
My neck.
Full body comes from pure Munich malt and Mount Hood Citra and Cascade hops balance the flavor well.
Sounds interesting.
Alrighty. I don't think this would be too bad. Of course, we've had letdowns before.
Yeah.
At first, I thought it was going to be bad, then that ginger kicked in. I don't taste any ruby red grapefruit. I just taste ginger and beer.
Let me get another drink. Just come on.
You're smoking a cigarette. No, not hardly much grapefruit. Ginger, though. That ginger seems like number one.
Aftertaste, you can taste a little bit of some kind of fruity.
You know what ginger is, right?
Sure, why not?
It's a root,
Well, yeah,
not a red-headed hottie like my class would think.
like my glasses. Oh god. It's not too bad.
Definitely not something I can get down with.
Definitely not a 100 gram.
Yeah. Them sell millions. What is this labeled as? It says beer. I'd rather have Budweiser than this.
Yeah.
People know what I think about Budweiser, which is a beer.
Yeah, I'm not big on it.
And we still got one more in the fridge, which will be here for next weekend for some unsuspecting soul, which I know who it's going to be, but I can't say their name right now.
That and another Patty Porter for you.
This is good! Alright, buddy.
Too bad we got that 18.2 for him to try.
I'm going to chug it. Give you $20 if you can drink this whole thing in 30 seconds. He'd be screwed and $20 richer, or thrown up and screwed and
Either
thrown
way,
up
we get a
and
$20
screwed.
show.
Hey, go pee on the hot water fence. Again. While drinking. Again. You need to get one of those.
Hit me in the face.
You need to get one of those SWAT bug zappers, like a tennis racket.
Oh, the electric one?
Yeah, but go up something with a piston and get it right there scream.
You know what hurt Dad? Said he's going to do to Travis next time he's around Travis and he has it on him. He keeps forgetting it.
Oh, he has one?
No, he's going to taser his ass. The actual pronged
What
shooting.
did your dad say?
Only my dad knows. That's going to be funny.
Yeah, but every time you use those tasers, it marks it in the memory, doesn't it?
They're just cartridges.
Doesn't he have to go sign for them? They just walk around just tasing random people.
Yeah.
I need a case of taser, please. Dang, dude, you've been on a roll. Just misfires.
Misfire.
Happened in my old age.
Practice shots.
Been shooting the wall.
I'm getting pretty darn good at it.
And I'm beginning to think where that laser is where the prongs go.
Oh, and you know what else he did with the firefighters? They went ahead and went along with it. They went ahead and got one of the cartridges started and shot out. And he handed one lead to someone's hand on this end. All the rest of them held hands. And then the last hand on this side held the other lead. And he and it got them all. He said it's pretty funny.
I don't want to finish this. Do you want to finish it?
Not further.
I just don't feel like getting messed up today, man. I don't know. It's kind of hard to get messed up on bad beer. Well, we got honey rounds, but, I don't want to waste those. I'd rather have those tomorrow.
Yeah. That's going to be our Saturday beer.
Mm-hmm.
I'll probably start it on... No, we can't.
Did you fart?
Yeah. Still smelling that beer?
Mm, must.
I'm ready to fish in the morning.
What time?
Well, Paul, son, him and his brother are going to come out and be here about 6:30.
What time is it?
It's only 9:40.
And I'm still awake?
Getting old, man.
If you remember the last six-pack back-to-back we did, there was still sun outside.
Yeah.
It was like 6 something. I was like,
I'm done.
we did 9 beers. We only threw out 1.
Yeah. That freaking
Blue.
blackberry, blueberry, freaking
That's one of those beers.
blue moon stuff.
That's one of those chugging beers for your friends. I'm beginning to think my channel is not showing beers to get. It's showing beers to get to make people very sick.
Beers not to get.
Yes. Man, he said that beer sucks, but for 45 cents a piece, I can piss off a lot of people. I brought beers! Woo! Fuck you! Freak you! and be like, Jesse, that Steven kid is nothing but trouble.
He's a bad influence on you. I better call Paul.
Is there anybody else you can call? Because we got the camera rolling. And remember, this last video is going to be at least 30 to 40 minutes. I want it to be a good video. We're only sitting at 10.
There we go.
20 minutes to screw around. Oh wait, I forgot we had other parts of this video. Yep.
Oh, big Jimbo. Message system.
Is he asleep?
Well, he is like 60 years old.
I couldn't get through the door. I took my Viagra.
Hey, Paul. Yeah, this is Jesse. I was just wanting to know if you're still going to make it out with your brother at 6:30 in the morning to go fishing. All right, give me a call back or text. Let me know. Bye.
Any other random numbers you can call?
Call Dad.
Call your dad.
Daniel.
Who?
Daniel.
Does he have a phone?
No, I gotta call his house phone and hope he answers. He don't believe in cell phones. He's a little paranoid. Government's gonna track him and kill him.
He done the NSA done disconnected his phone.
I think so. Do. Please check the number you have dialed.
Obama has already killed this target.
Crap.
We are tracking your address now.
I think what the numbers have in here. Cows are over. This guy got them 2 cows over there.
Call him up. Hey, I'd like to have a refund on this cow that died last week.
Didn't I have a 1-year warranty on that? When he called up work.
Yeah, just want to know if I can come in. The wife. Wake her up. Hey, baby. You going? Don't sleep.
What are you doing?
I'm on the way back to church camp.
Church camp.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot you went to that deal.
What are you doing?
Sitting around doing reviews.
Huh?
Doing beer reviews.
You didn't run beer review?
Tell he's in one.
Yeah.
Where at? Your house?
Yeah.
Uh,
When do y'all get back?
well, tonight I'm on my way back here now.
You want to come over tomorrow?
Yep.
Yeah, you can come on out. We'll hang out tomorrow.
Hey, John. Hey, John. Hey, John. Hey, John. Hey, John.
Huh?
What?
Dude, I hope you know you're on camera. Hello? No, you're on camera. You ain't something on me.
Is your dad asleep?
Probably.
No, Mike. No, I won't harass him.
Today's Friday. Yeah, Mike goes to work in the morning. He's asleep.
I don't know what else to do. I can't make phone calls.
Yeah, but forgot about that. Storm.
hands off. See, I heard you threw up. I'm done puking.
Hey, can you get me a beer out of the fridge? Shit sucks. In the box. You know he ain't gonna answer his phone. That's messed up.
I'm sorry, but the person you called is a voicemail box that is not there set up yet. Bye.
Asshole.
Can't even leave him a message. Like I said, my text message though.
You know that probably 90% of the people that click this video is probably already gone. This is Jesse Simmons. Call me.
Alright,
Did you drink yours?
put it in yours.
Oh.
This here is a lot better than that. Not much, but it is.
I'm glad you raised the garage door a little bit. Well, I can't think of nothing else to do.